Best Faucet Extender Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular faucet extension devices in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We will share with you some of the features of what makes this faucet extender so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this right away. The one that made our list is Munchkin Faucet Extender. Now your kids don't have to stand on their tippy toes to reach the faucet anymore because a helping hand is within reach. This is a must-have for your young ones who need help when washing their hands or brushing their teeth. The flexible attachment is designed to work with practically any faucet, bringing the water flow closer than ever before. This flexible design pivots to fit most standard faucets. It's really easy to install and remove, and no tools or assembly is required. This gives children independence when washing hands or brushing teeth by bringing water flow closer to their hands. To check out the full specs of the Munchkin Faucet Extender and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/faucet extension. Here's a quick video of how easy it is to use this faucet extension device. So there you have it, the Munchkin Faucet Extender. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material and its overall functionality, we feel that this faucet extender is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Munchkin Faucet Extender and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/faucet extension. Alright, thank you for watching.